So, welcome back to Low Code AI Lab. Welcome back. Sorry, I couldn't make video for a while because I'm very busy. So, welcome back to Low Code AI Lab. So today we are going to discuss about how to build a website without writing any single line of code. So that's what we are going to discuss today. So our topic mostly will come from WordPress. Do you get me? So that is for content management system. So how to use AI, artificial intelligence, to build a website without writing any single line of code. So that's what we are going to learn today. So join me on the process. So I'm going to show you a very practical example how to achieve this, because in WordPress content management system, so they already have some templates designed for you, and some of these templates is very costly. So if you don't know how to code very well, for you to get access to all these premium templates, so you have to pay for it. So if you know how to code very well, you can get access to free templates and recode it if you're good in PHP and Laravel, even CSS and JavaScript. So these are the programming language you will discover in WordPress, that is content management system. But today we're going to discuss how to use AI, artificial intelligence, to bypass all this process, either paying for script or recording the script by yourself. So this where AI is very important in what we're doing. So the artificial intelligence is going to build a template for us, depending on the particular niche, depending on what we are going to do, on the aim of us building the website. So join me as I'm about to show you the practical step of how to use artificial intelligence to build a WordPress theme or template. So how to design and develop your own templates or website making use of AI technology. So join me as I dive in. So first of all, you have to buy your share hosting. So once you get your domain, so after getting your domain, so you buy your hosting. So once you buy your host, you can be able to have access to cPanel. Maybe in my next class I will teach you how to get all these things done if you don't have experience in coding before. But once you have experience in coding before, so you already know what this page is all about. But if you don't have experience in coding before, so I will tell you how you can be able to get your share hosting, your domain register. So once you get access to all these things, you can be able to have access to this control panel, and from this place you can be able to install WordPress software, the content management system we are going to use to build the website. So first of all, once you get your share hosting account, you have access to cPanel. So the place we are going to click, so if you keep scrolling down, you see WordPress manager by Soft Cotelius. You can make use of this one, or if you go down, you see scripts. Do you get me? So you can install WordPress scripts. So once you install WordPress, once you click on WordPress, so it will take you to this place. Do you get me? So this is the area we are going to install WordPress. So let me install WordPress. I don't know, maybe my network is a bit bad. I don't know what. Okay, so we're about to store WordPress. Do you get me? So this is the directory. You can remove it. So if you don't want the WordPress to be inside directory, you can be able to make use of the root folder. So first of all, we're going to select the domain. So if you have different domain registered in your hosting account, so you choose the domain that you want to install the WordPress software to. So I'm storing it with this AI web. So this is where I want to install my WordPress to. So this is the AI web I want to install the WordPress with. So we're working on shipping, which is the niche we're going to build. So we're going to build a shipping website. Do you get me? So that's what we're going to build on this So which name? Okay, I've did this before. So let's answer global shipping. So answering global shipping. So follow these steps one after the other. You can be able to understand what I'm doing. It's not that difficult. Just listen listen attentively and watch carefully. You can be able to get what I'm doing. So you can write info. This is the admin email address. So you can write this after you go and create admin email at your C palette. So these are just normal default plugins which you can select. I will teach you what plugins are all about, what those plugins that you need in your website. So maybe on my next class I can be able to discuss that. But first of all, let's understand how to use artificial intelligence to build websites. So that's just the basic thing. So let me install the WordPress. So I'll click on install. I have finished. So the site name, the site description, the admin username, the admin password. So these are the next thing. This one, admin username and admin password, what we're going to log in. So the WordPress content management system. So these are the site names. So let me install. So if you have, okay, our WordPress is, we have stored our WordPress successfully. So let me go to, I'm going to log into the admin area. So this is the client area. So in WordPress we have the administrative area. This is where the admin will manage what is going to happen at the client area, which is the front end. So I'm about to log into the admin area. So once I log into the admin area, okay, it takes me to the client area. So this is the client area. So on this we don't have anything yet. We only have a default template that is stored on this. So what are we going to do that? So I'm going to log into the admin. I'm going to log into the admin area. So I have logged into the admin area. So once we log into the admin area, so this is the admin area. So this is WordPress content management system. So this is WordPress admin area. So on this place you can be able to install the things you are going to use for this. Do you get me? So before I continue, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please try and click on subscribe button. So if you haven't followed us on Facebook, so follow us on channel on page. So on TikTok is no code AI lab. The same thing applicable to YouTube, low code AI lab. So even X, that is formerly Twitter, so it's still low code AI lab. So you can join us there. So because as time to time I will keep on bringing different videos, how to use artificial intelligence, how to use AI, do you get me, and no code tools to build different websites, how you can become a full stack developer, both front end and back end, without writing any single line of code. Make use of content management system, do you get me, or any local tools. So first of all, so this is the theme. This is where to install your plugins. So once you click here, you can be able to install plugins that you need. So these are different plugins. I will teach you more about plugins and how it functions. What the plugins we are going to, this is for the themes. So the themes, I will teach you about WordPress themes and WordPress plugins, about their functions. So what the tools we are going to make use of today. So we are going to install a plugin. So and the plugin we are going to install, once we click on add new plugin, so we are going to install starter template. So we are going to install starter template. So the essence of this starter template, do you get me? So we are going to install starter template. So the essence of this starter template, that is a plugin, is that they already have some templates that is designed. Do you get? Because this is the content management system. So once you come, you can be able to choose any of the template depending on the niche, depending on the what they ask you, or what you wanted to achieve, or what you want to design. Do you get me? So for some of these templates, for you to get the accurate one you need, you have to pay for it. Do you get me? But if you have experience in coding, so you can get a simple template which is free and recode it to suit your need. This one require you to do some coding and customization. Do you get me? So but if you have money, you can pay for the pro script and be able to get the pro script very well, already customized and everything. So the essence of this video, the AI technology on this. So we're going to use AI to design, to build a template for us on the leech, depending on what we are designing, depending on what you're building. Do you get me? So we are not going to buy from them. We are not going to get a free already designed template. So you are not getting that one because the idea might differ. Do you get me? So we are getting a template based on your idea. So and that template, you can use AI to generate that template based on the idea you want to be in your site. Without going on a long process, try to download another free template and start recustomizing it, post the text and everything. For this thing, AI can be able to generate all those, including your text and structures, or those things you want to be in your website without even writing any single line of code. So first of all, I need to install this template. So that is first approach. So once I install the template, after installation, I will activate it. Just follow the processes. It is going. So the templates have already installed. So I need to activate the template. I don't know, my network is terribly bad. So I have already, okay, the template is activating. My network is bad. Why is well? We must continue. Let me refresh. That's the problem you're facing. This is network issue, so you don't have to worry about anything. So this is network issue. So let me check and reload the page so that I can be able to go back to the admin area. So we're back to the admin area again. Do you get me? So let me check the plugins. So so this is the plugin. So I'm looking for the starter template. So this is the starter template. We are going to click on get started. So once you come on, click on the plugins, it take you to where all the plugins that you stored. So I will teach you maybe on next video. So the essence of this plugin. So what you can use it to achieve as you want to use this thing, the starter template to achieve. So first of all, so let me load this website for you, or your normal so let me load this website for you. So you can be able to see what we are working on. So have you seen? So this is the global shipping website we are working on. That is for shipping company. So this is the website. We don't have anything, so the website is sketchy. Do you get me? So what we are going to work now is to build a template, a shipping template on this. So once clients or customer visit the website, you can see that this website is really good. So that's what we are working on. So coming to this place, if you choose classic template, do you get me? So this is where you can be able to select the template like I told you before, like free templates and paid one, which you are going to pay. So what we are going to use now, we're going to make use of AI. That's AI website builder, so that AI can be able to create that template for us. You get me? So the basic thing you need to know about what prompting is all about, because if you prompt very well, you can be able to give AI the accurate information, so you can be able to generate best result for you. So I will drop the prompt that I used to work on this, so at the description of this video. So first of all, so let's get started on this. So I have already, so let's get started on this. Okay, sorry, like I want. So let's get started on this. If you click on build with AI, that is AI website builder. That is the problem you're facing. Network is terribly bad. So let's get started. So we are making use of ZipYP platform. So and this is integrated with your WordPress content management system. Do you get me? So it's integrated with your WordPress management system. So let's get started. So I have already, so let me sign in with a different account. I'll register with a different account because I have already registered it. So click on login with email. So you don't have to waste time on this. Just that my network is a bit bad. Do you get me? So you don't have to waste time on this. So it's very simple. So once you click on sign in with Google, so it will give you it will take you to your Google account to sign in directly. Do you get me? So without wasting much of your time, so I'm trying to sign in with a new Google account because I have used most of my Google accounts on this. So I'm trying to sign in with a new one. So they send me a message on this. Can I see the message? They send me code to confirm on that mail. I'm about to open the mail now. So once I get the code, I will enter. So the process is very small. So what we are doing here is practical. So we're working on the practical aspect of it. Just follow me. You can be able to understand how we are going to build your own website without writing any single line of code. Do you get me? So you can build everything perfectly without even having experience in coding. So what you need to do is for you to have experience with AI. Do you get me? So once you have experience with AI, you can be able to learn prompting. So and this will be able to give you a background or an overview of what you are going to do. So that's just it. Just follow me as I'm doing the practical aspect of it. So if you follow this step serially, you can be able to start building your own website without even. So this is the code. So this is they have sent me the code. So that is ZipYP. So this is the code. We'll make use of ZipYP that is integrated with WordPress to build websites. So and everything is going to work with AI. So we're not going to write any line of code. This is 822.610. 822.610. Sorry. That's 882.610. So I've already collected with this. So first of all, we're going to excuse. So let's continue. So if you haven't followed me before, try to follow me. So and listen attentively because this is where the real day starts. Do you get me? So listen attentively so you can be able to learn a lot from this. So first of all, you have to write the name of the website you are building. So this is Global Express Shipping because I'm building a shipping website. So you can choose any name that will be for those that normally work on shipping. So just follow the step gradually. So you can choose the category of the website you're building, that is shipping and packaging. So and this site should be in English. Do you get me? So this is where to describe the site you want to build. So this is where you're going to give the AI the prompt. Do you get me? So and this prompt now is what the AI is going to use to create the site for you. So this place now is very critical. So this is because this area is what the area is that determine how your site will look like. Do you get that reason? You need to pay attentively. You need to pay attention on this. Sorry. So you need to be very careful on this place. So first of all, this is the prompts I use. So I have to make use of large language model, which is ChatGPT. So what did I do? So I used large language model. As using this name, Global Express Shipping, generate good prompt to design a website for this. Include service page, about page, contact us page, and filter. The prompt should not exceed 1000 characters. Do you get me? So the prompt should not exceed 1000, and the ChatGPT can be able to give me this prompt. Now, if you read the prompt very well, you understand that the prompt is more structured than what I queue in. So first of all, I got to copy this prompt. So once I copy this prompt, I will drop this prompt at the description of this video, so it will not be very difficult for you to use. So you can just copy it during the process of doing your own. So this is the prompt. So I have queued in the prompt. So let's start. This is another stage. So we're going to queue in the email address that you want to use on the site. Do you get me? So maybe this is the email address I wanted to use on the site, and the address I have to queue in. So you can include social media handles, different social media handles on the site. So this is where to include it. So let me click on list. So this is another area. Do you get me? So if you already have videos of the site you are building, maybe you're working for a company and they send you videos of what they wanted to achieve. So on this place, do you get me, with the complete video, so this is where to go. If you click on upload your own images, if you click here, you can be able to select different images from your, so this is my laptop, so you can be able to select different images from your laptop and upload as well. Do you get me? So but if you don't have images, you can check on search results and check those ones that suit what you want to build, like this one now. So that I'm seeing different beautiful images that suit what I'm doing. So all these images is beautiful. So it talks about shipping, so you can select as many as you want. Do you get me? So I look for the one that will be okay for you. So once you get those ones that you need for the shipping, so once you get those ones that you want, so you can be able to make use of it without wasting time. How many have I selected so far? I have selected 17 images. So and this is okay for this. I believe 17 images is okay for this work. So first of all, nice 90. So we'll click on list. So the AI have started generating the website for us. Do you get me? So the AI has started generating the website for us. So assuming that I can pause this video, do you get it something? So I'll pause the video, but let's just wait for everything. Maybe during your own, if you're watching it, you can fast forward this place and go to the next pivot. The AI have already started building the website for us. So what's the AI that is through generating this preview? Do you get me? So the AI is generating the preview. So and this preview that the AI is generating, we can be able to check different previews that you want to use on the site. Do you get me? So once you check different previews, if you see the one that is okay for you, do you get me? So if you see the one that you like very well, depending on the color the company give you, depending on what the company want you to achieve or what you wanted to achieve. So if you see the one that you like very well, so you can be able to select the template. Do you get me? So and make use of it. So just follow the process you understand the next step of what I am doing. So first of all, so the AI have generated some of so it keeps generating a lot of the templates. And these templates, we have premium, we have free. So most of them, even the premium and free, they're almost the same. They're almost the same thing. So the difference is slightly. So instead of wasting your resources getting the premium one, the free one will still look more beautiful even compared to the premium one, because this is AI. So sometimes it's not that sentimental. They try to build everything equal. So the one is for you to choose the particular one that you need. So these are different templates. Do you get me? So these are different templates. So let us use some templates and see how it looks, and so we can be able to choose the one we are going to build with. Do you get me? So let's use this one first. So let's check this one. So you can be able to check which one do I want to use for this site. Do you get me? So if you see the one that you like very well, you can use it to build your site. So you can just keep checking the one that suits the color that you want. If the color is not, you can equally change the color on the process. Do you get me? So these are shipping website AI have generated. So the AI have generated more than 30 to 40 different shipping websites. Do you get me? So the AI have generated more than 30 to 40 different shipping websites. So if you're building template for sale, you can be able to build all these things and download the template separately and started selling it to different clients or different people that need this. So you build your own portfolio on template selling. So but these are just the things that we're going to learn on this place. So first of all, as time, because of time factor, so let me choose one template and continue. So let me choose one template and continue without wasting time. Which one am I going to choose? I'm even confused, but these have a lot of beautiful templates. Very beautiful templates. So I'm even confused on the one I will choose. But you know, this is just an example. So I'm still checking on the template I will choose. So I'm still checking on the template depending on the prompts I give. So I'm still looking on the template. So let me choose this one. We don't have time, so let me choose this one. My network has started disturbing again. So this is the template that I choose. Do you get me? So you can preview the templates here, so you can be able to see. So if you want to change text or color, so you can be able to, as you see, we have changed the color, so you can preview the template or how you want it to be. Like this color is very beautiful. Wow. So you can preview it, so change and understand the one we are going to make use of. Let me make use of this one. So after checking the template, if you like it very well, even the color combination and everything, so you can be able to click continue. So you can select some features that you use. So leave it on default, so don't select it, just leave it on default and click start building. So the AI, so if I can pause this video, well, that's just the process of everything. So the AI has started building the website. So let's just wait small and see the outcome You get me? So if you haven't subscribed yet, so if you like this video, so you can share this video so that people can watch and learn from it. So some might be interested on this. Do you get me? So the more you share, the more you are getting support, the more we are getting reaction, so that we can be able to do more videos on this. So because if you don't share, if you don't share, others who might be interested in watching this video will all get access to this. So this is 21st century. So this is the generation of artificial intelligence. So you can become a software developer, a full stack, without even writing any single line of code. So you can make use of what that is content management system to build different websites. You can make use of local tools to build different websites. So and that's what we are discussing here. Do you get me? So you can make use of different AI technology to build different websites that people will be using, even for your own business or anything, depending on the niche, on the angle you are working on. So the AI is building our site. So after building the site, we are going to check the outcome of it. So if you haven't followed us on Twitter, go and follow us on Twitter, which is X. So on Local AI Lab, you can check us on TikTok, Local AI Lab. So you can check us on YouTube, you can subscribe, Local AI Lab. So you can, so once you subscribe, even on Facebook, my name on Facebook is Uchenna Onyechi. So you can follow us on Facebook. So this will level the Facebook algorithm or the TikTok or the Twitter algorithm. Do you get me? To see that people are watching our video, so that once I drop video, you can be able to get the notification. So you can be able to watch more videos. So I'll keep doing this video on maybe in 2 or 3 days time. So on the process of developing or building different website without writing a single line of code. So as you can see, our site is ready. So let us click and check the outcome of what we have been building since. So I click on view your website. So I want to view the website. So as you see, so we have already created a shipping website. Do you get me? So that's what I'm talking about, AI technology. So AI can help you to create a lot of things without writing a single line of code. This is a functionally shipping website. So on my next video, I will teach you how to implement tracking. We are going to install the plugin that work on the tracking. So once you include the plugin that work on the tracking, you can be able to track some goods, so that you can be able to understand how this thing is working perfectly. Do you get me? So how many minutes do we take? We already built a shipping website. So but without this AI technology, it will take you time, hours for you to build this website now. But within 30 or 45 minutes, you have already built this website. If you have a stable and strong network, so this will all last 20 minutes. You already have a complete shipping website without spending much of your money or without doing anything. With the AI technology, you can build a lot of things. So we already have our shipping website. So I just taking look of how the shipping website is. Do you get me? So it's very fantastic. So you can be able to include tracking. So once you include tracking, so you can start the shipping website will start tracking goods. I'll teach you how to do that on my next video. So this is, we click on about us. So let us see what we are going to, what about us is all about. So have you seen? So with those pictures we selected, so everything is displaying. So our website look good. Our network is disturbing, so that is the problem. It's not moving very fast. So we're checking on service page. So we're just checking the site. So the reason I'm checking is for you to see that the site is working perfectly. That is the reason I'm checking on the site, for you to see that the site is working perfectly. So have you seen? So our site is okay. So let me check on blog to know if it generated some blog for us. So if it did not, you see. So this is blog, and this is where we're going to be posting about what your company is all about, the process and everything. So this is a blog, and it generated blog for us. Do you get me? So this is blog session. Have you seen? So you can be able to even read blogs from this place. So this tool is amazing. So you don't literally have to do anything. So the AI have concluded, have finished the entire work for you, so you don't need to do anything. So on our next video, so this is the contact us page. Wow. So this is my this is the phone number, this is my email, this is the address. So if I like, assuming I include the next thing, this thing I told you that time, the social media handle, it will appear here. So this is where you can contact us. I believe this message must be functioning, I believe. So we're doing an example. Let me know if it is working. Seriously. Sending message. Network is bad. It's working. Just we're having a terrible network here. It's still sending message. You see, it's working. Just that we're having a terrible network. So maybe on my next video, I'll teach you how to use some YP Forms plugin to do all this. So it's not difficult. So that once a client or a customer send message, you can receive it in your inbox, either your Gmail or any email you want to use as what we're going to use to receive messages. So that one is okay, as you can see. So the site is amazing. The site is amazing. So that is it for today. So you can share this video to others, you can follow, you can join us. So you can just recommend us to your friends and family and relatives. So you can recommend our channel, you can recommend our page, so that any day we drop videos like this, so they'll be the first person to watch and get some insight on how to build websites or how to develop any either Android or iOS application without writing any single line of code. Thank you. Goodbye for now.